Thank you so much for anyone that voted yesterday. Like I said, a lot of decisions to make, and I'm terrible at making decisions. I feel like I go back and forth, back and forth. So I feel like a lot of the votes helped because I already felt like I was kind of leaning that way, and that just confirmed it. So that's good. I am ordering some stuff this weekend, so hopefully Monday we can get in there and start doing demo, which is nuts because after demo it is going to go super quick. We have really been like building up to this flip, trying to knock things out because we just didn't know when we were going to close on it. It's been like a really long process, and we've also had like a lot of projects that we started and that we needed to like finish up. So it feels really good to finally have the sauna done. The grass is growing, looks amazing, and it feels good to like have that project complete. We also started a project the other week at my sister's house with all the free time that we have. And that project was to help her finish her basement. So she had an unfinished basement before, and they wanted to drywall and add flooring and add like a little bar area and a little living area and kitchenette and a gym. And of course, I couldn't help myself. I'm like, that sounds so fun. Let me design that for you. And then of course, like I designed it and then I wanted to help. So we've been going over there, honestly, since I had Graham on the weekends randomly, and Reese will go there and play and we'll work a little bit. I just haven't shared it because it's kind of been like so random and it's such a long process. So I wanted to share with you guys today what the basement looked like a few months ago when we started, and then where it's at today, because the other weekend we made like crazy progress on it. We got the flooring installed and it looks so freaking good. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So I'll show you what it looked like before, what the mood boards are for what it's going to look like, and what it currently looks like now. We just laid Dura Decor flooring in my sister's basement, and not only were we blown away by the simplicity of the install, but we were amazed by how good it looks. We went with the modern Maven line and Guest House Brown. It's a floating vinyl product that simply snaps together. For tools, all we needed was a rubber mallet, tape measure, chalk line, speed square, and razor knife for making cuts. After putting down a vapor barrier, we chalked a straight line on the floor and started installing the floor from left to right. At the walls, we simply made out our measurement, marked it with a speed square, scored it with a razor knife, and snapped it. So simple. We made sure to stagger our joints so that they wouldn't line up and that there weren't any noticeable patterns. The best part is, not only does this LVP look great, but it's waterproof, scratch, dent, and stain resistant. Did I also mention that this whole installation only took us 2 days? All in all, I am so happy with how this project turned out, and I cannot wait to convince Noah that we need this somewhere in our own home.